Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So as mentioned in my previous video, we were expecting a market to trade in a stable to bullish kind of fashion, but we were also expecting resistance at a high level. So if you guys could see, market did open with a gap up sort of move. However, it also faced resistance near its crucial average. So here you can see this particular zone has been acting as a resistance for the market, and if you do not go far, here you can also see that the market did face resistance near the previous candle's high. So here you can see this particular level is now acting as a resistance for the market. So till the time the market breaks this particular level, we are definitely not going to see a much sort of upside in the market. So we'll do one thing, we'll analyze the option activity range and various other technical indicators to see what this particular move is suggesting and how we can try and play this. So first we'll analyze the option activity range for the market. So 10,200 to 11,000 is the broad option activity range for the market. So we are observing an expansion in the market, overall range of the market. So let us start our analysis with the call side first. So interestingly, you can see a fresh bullish position on 10,950 and 11,000 level, close to 6,72,000 75 shares has been generated or created near the level of 11,000, and at the same time 10,900 strike prices has also seen a call writing. So basically 10,700 to 10,900 strike prices has seen a call writing. So most probably the market participants are writing 10,800 850 call and also buying 11,000 and above call. So that's the same strategy I have suggested to you in my previous videos. So in my yesterday's video actually, so you can also see that this kind of position is now getting formed in the market. So we'll discuss how the price action goes with it first, but let us first analyze the option data so that we can feel the market participants expectation. So now on a lower side by I mean 10,650 to 10,200, I can see that the call long is getting covered, call short is getting covered, a call sort of return. So all the positions are there, but the major and clear cut position is that the 10,700 to 10,900 kind of levels has seen a good amount of call rating. So definitely this particular level should act as a resistance, and to be precise 10,760 is acting as a good resistance for the market as of now. So here you can see this is the first candle from where the market reversed. This is a sort of second candle you can consider. The third candle also faced resistance. The next candle tried to open on a high side, but the previous level acted as a resistance. When this particular level broke, market saw good moves. However, when the market came down and tried to go above this particular level, again acted as a resistance for the market, and finally market went down, came up again, went down, took a support near its 55 days exponential moving average, and now it is coming up. So again this particular level will be tested, which is 10,779 or 10,780. So what I feel is 10,780 should be acting as a good sort of resistance for the market, and it will be not that easy for the market participants to break this particular level. So if this particular level breaks, definitely we are going to see a good move on a high side. But if this particular level does not sustain, we can definitely expect the market to go down till 10,500 kind of level. 10,550 sort of level you can also expect. It can also may happen that the market can go down, goes near its 8 days exponential moving average, took a can take a support as well, and again go up and trying to bounce this particular level. So broadly speaking, 10,782 on a lower side, 10,560 is the broad range as of now for the market. Okay, so continuing our analysis, we can definitely see that the put has seen a good amount of fresh bearish position getting formed. So most probably market participants are not expecting that this particular level should be broken that easily, especially the put participants. So that's the only reason we have seen so much amount of bearish position getting formed right from the strike prices of 10,200 to 10,800. So that was the overall price action and expectation of the market participants as we discussed. Technical indicator side, you can definitely see that the MACD has broken above its exponential average. So downside is limited till 10,650, which is 8 days exponential moving average. Apart from that, CCI is also trading above its 8 days exponential average, and RSI is just taking support at that particular level. So definitely we are going to have observe good sort of volatility, but the range bound sort of move will be there, 10,780 to 10,560. Both this particular levels will be acting as a, or will be a crucial for the market to break or make. Okay guys, so that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. In my previous videos only, I have mentioned that the Bank Nifty is trading near its resistance zone. Okay, let me see what happened. So, and I have also mentioned that though the Nifty has broken out of its exponential average, the Bank Nifty is now trading near the near its resistance zone. So we were not expecting much up move, and also you can see that we were right. The market did face resistance on a high side. Broadly, the previous high you can see at this particular frame, 26,900 has acted as a good resistance for the market, and now market is heading towards downside. So whether it will go and whether how much down it can go, we are going to analyze. So let me just bring out the data of Bank Nifty. Okay, so it is the data of the Bank Nifty. 24,500 to 27,000 is the broad option activity range for the market. So again we have seen expansion of the range. uh, if you analyze the data, broadly 25,800 to 26,500 strike prices has seen call long covering. So those who are holding a call option now have covered their position, so they are expecting sort of bearish move. 26,600 to 27,000 strike prices has seen call writing. So definitely market participants are expecting that from 26,000 and onwards, which is market is trading near 26,700. So on a higher side, market participants are observing that the market will face resistance, and 27,000 is seen as a final resistance as of now. On a put side, what you can see is clearly 25,900 is acting as a support, because from that particular level and onwards we have seen a put writing. On a high side, 25,900 sorry 25,800 is acting as a support. From 25,900 to 27,000, a fresh bearish position is getting has been created. So again, market participants are not sure on a high level and expecting a down move from high side. Like, apart from that, if you see on a lower side, 25,100 to 24,500 has seen a put trading. So definitely a broad range bound kind of market will be seen. The good resistance for the market will be about 26,220, because at this particular prices there will be a volatility and it has been acting as a support for the market. But broadly, if you if I were to suggest the broad range for the market in this particular month, as I mentioned in my previous video, 21 days exponential moving average, which is this skyline that you have been observing, has been acting as a support. So market comes on a high, comes down to this level, goes up again, faces resistance, comes down again, tests 21 days exponential moving average, goes up, comes down again, it breaks out, comes down. But what I feel is you should not go short in the market till the time this particular level is holding. So if the market is able to hold 26,630, we are definitely going to see much higher moves, and finally this particular high will be broken. But if market goes down 20 down below 26,600, then we can definitely see again 26,100 getting can be tested. So watch out for this particular move. Apart from that, if you see the technical indicators, already MACD is stalling at a high level, CCI is already generated a sort of resistance on a high side, and RSI is also struggling on a high side. But all these technical indicators are trading above the exponential average. So that's the only reason I suggested that there will the momentum is on a bullish side only. But 26,500 26,630 will be crucial support for the market. So till time market is holding this particular level, we are definitely expecting a stable to bullish move to continue. So that's it for the today's video, guys. As always, if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family. If you want to learn how I am generating this buy and sell signal, if you want to learn the entire system, you can definitely check out the video description. You will find a detailed playlist there. In case if you want to join my Telegram or WhatsApp channel, the links are also in the description. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.